Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the starter on an Infiniti G35 Coupe. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. This prevents electrical shorts. Next, carefully lift your vehicle using a jack and place it securely on jack stands. Always ensure the car is stable before working underneath. The starter motor is typically located on the passenger side of your G35, nestled near the transmission bell housing. You'll need to access it from underneath the vehicle, so prepare your workspace. Depending on your car's specific setup, you might need to remove some protective splash shields or even intake components to gain a clear view and sufficient working space for the next steps. Once you have clear access, disconnect the main power wire, usually secured with a 12 or 13mm nut, and then the smaller signal wire. These are crucial electrical connections. Next, locate and remove the two 14mm mounting bolts that hold the starter in place. It may require some twisting to maneuver the old unit out. Now, carefully position the new starter into place and secure it with the two 14mm mounting bolts. Reconnect the main power wire with its 12 or 13mm nut, and then the signal wire. Finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Lower your vehicle safely and test the ignition to confirm your new starter is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.